Alright mate, it's Jellyhead.
Oh, alright, Joe.
Listen, how do you fancy a bit of company for a couple of days?
Come and stay if you want, but you'll be on your own. You don't mind, do you?
No, I don't mind.
Alright, ta-da!
Alright, yeah, ta-da! Buzzing. Let's get off to Codhead's caravan. I'm going to go and have a little fire and a few beers over there. Get mucky. That's what those little boys like to do. So my ribs are there, absolutely burnt to a crisp. Well, that was a good buzz, chilling out by the fire, and them beers have gone right to my head. I think it's going to be bedtime soon. It's nearly 10 o'clock. Because tomorrow I'm going to have my breakfast down by the river. I'm going to do a bit of fishing. So until then, I'll see you in the morning. Dip it in. Whoa. I'm trying something a bit different today. Instead of the usual barbel fishing with the luncheon meat and boilies and pellets and stuff, I've got a 6-foot spinning rod and a spinner. And all I'm doing is flicking it out and pulling it back through the water to make that fish in the water think that that is a fish in distress, and he'll go oomph, give it some of that. I'm not fishing for pike because it's not the coarse fishing season. I'm trying to have a go for the odd trout, and I've never brought the so little amount of fishing gear in all my life. A rod, a reel and a box of spinners. They're no ordinary spinners, these are special ones. These are Detroit spinners. I just flick them in the water and they keep working their way back to me, babe. With a bit of fluff outside, yet they keep working their way back to me. Tell you what though, this is quite enjoyable, this fishing. Whereas usually I'd sit behind a fishing rod waiting for a bite. And to be honest, I get a bit depressed. Look at this. Oh, gutted. That was definitely a trout. Well, I've thrashed the water to a foam. I feel like a one-armed Popeye. So I think it's time for a little break.
If you like what you've been watching so far, then hit the button and give this video the thumb.
The thumb.
Thumbs help boost Jellyhead Television's visibility on YouTube, which in turn helps others to enjoy light-hearted creative videos. Nice! And now, it's back to what you are watching.
Well, I've only been walking for about 5 minutes and I can see the waterfalls over there, and don't they look absolutely fantastic? But you'll have to wait for a minute to see them. Anyone got any oxygen? The only way is up. The wilderness wife are out today. Or in my younger days when he had thighs like a gazelle, I would have ran up there, but today I'm quite happy here. I'm waiting to get a wave off some family who walked past and said they'd give me one when they got up there. Not very often you get an offer like that, is it? A wave, that is. Should have asked him if he wanted to be on YouTube. We're nearly there. You can see him on the top. Anyway, the son and the daughter are nearly there. Better be a good one. And he's waving. Buzzing. Well, 6 months ago, I wouldn't have even dreamed of doing something like this. And if I would have been a smoker, I wouldn't have been able to get out the car, never mind up the waterfalls. But I am absolutely buzzing. And I'm glad you could have made it with me. Look, I've even got my own little beach. Sound. I'll have to get a bra. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a pebble, and that's going to remind me of this wonderful adventure. Ooh, I love that one. And I'll keep that forever. And every time I look at it, I'll think of you. Who's that nugget down there with the binoculars? Sound of running water makes me want to have a slash. But I couldn't pee up here. It runs into Lake Vyrnwy, and the Scousers have to drink that. Just having a little look to see whether I can see Tommy Turbo. Alright mate, Oh, and who's that as well? It's my mate Jeff in Flintshire. Alright mate. Hope you're all buzzing out there. And Bushcrafty Steve as well. There he is. Oh, and who's that? Well, I be damned. It's our Oliver, my grandson. I'm going to scoot off now. Well, I'll see you back at the car park when hopefully we'll get a parking space and we can have a look at the Vyrnwy dam wall. Let's hope so. I wonder if anybody slid down on their arse and into that pool. Be a good buzz like, wouldn't it? Wouldn't do your grapes much good though. Splosh. Splosh. Wee! Ah! Splat. Well, I've got to admit I've had an absolute buzz today, me on me lonesome. So I'm going to leave Lake Vyrnwy behind and I'll see you back at the caravan for a spot of evening spinning. I'll see you there. By the rivers of Babylon, where we got snagged way. It was the River Vyrnwy. Ah, come on. Oh, we got it back. Look at that. Buzzing. Well, that's enough of the fishing. Time for a beer. Tell you what though, if you like beer, that's a winner, that one. 6.1 on the Richter scale. It sneaks up and bites it on the arse. Bite away. Well, here I am back in reality, and I hope you enjoyed watching me video as much as I did making it. I haven't heard anything from Codhead. I don't know what he's up to. Probably having a little bit too much fun. Got me a little stone here to remind me of my fantastic day out in mid Wales up on the waterfalls. And I'm already thinking of my next adventure, and I hope you can join me for that. So whatever you're doing, take care out there, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da!